Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to refresh your For You feed on TikTok, and it basically adjusts what settings or what posts you see on the For You post on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile page. If you're unsure how to get to this page, just navigate over to the profile button in the bottom right corner of the taskbar, and then select the hamburger icon that appears at the top right. Select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Content and Display, select Content Preferences. Where it says Refresh Your For You feed, go ahead and select that. So you're going to go ahead and select Continue, select Refresh, and then you should be good to go. You may also want to adjust the Manage Topics field up here too if you want to adjust this amount of topics you receive regarding topics you may or may not be interested in by dragging the scroll bar to the left or right if you want to see more or less of a certain category. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.